Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button iComfort. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example you can change screen color temperature here. You can disable colors and set your screen to be like black and white. Or you can add a schedule for this mode. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, or just based on your schedule. I mean, like not based on your schedule, you can set it up for yourself. You can select start time, end time, and that's how it's done. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.